Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to do something and I haven't done for a while. I haven't coded for a while, and today I'm going to add a feature to my application called Flipper. So I'll be basically sharing the code. So is this going to be a live code stream? So where I'll be adding a feature to my application. So this is the application I use in the weekend. So where is my screen? Something is not right. So I think I need to exit the stage manager, and now, okay, I think that will work. So Windows, okay, should exit. True. Anyway, I'll be sharing the entire screen. So okay, so I'm using the agent to code the entire application. Basically, I have like two models opened, and I'm adding a feature to my AI so that users will be able to buy the credits before they consume the AI solution. So I think this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. So what I'm implementing now is a way for the user, when he run out of the credits while still in the chat, can be able to purchase the credit within the chat. I think I've seen something similar. I think WhatsApp has something. WhatsApp finance something like this. I think WhatsApp has introduced. Okay, it's not finance. It's WhatsApp payment. So I would like to implement something like this, where a user will be able to go within the chat and be able to purchase the credit. So for this time, so I think this can be the start of something else. But for the use case of this, what I want is, if the user is sending the message, then he can directly purchase the credits. I think I want to emulate how this has been done on WhatsApp side, and be able to do the same for my case as well. So now, what I'm doing is just to direct the AI in the proper direction of what it needs to do. So I think I have two agents working now, and I'm coordinating. So coordinating the work of the AI, which is kind of cool actually, because so the shift of software development is shifting from writing every line of code, to just be the project manager of the AI. So it's just like it's like a cool shift happening, and it's just like amazing. So I think I'm so excited to see if I'll be able to pull this feature and make it work. Okay. Okay. So, and I don't remember what credit retrieval. Okay. So I was trying to use. So basically, before using the, I want now use the direct test, the super based fetching of the credit, so that I can always have the up to date credits. So I saw that it's an issue. Um, Wait, I think that will be something that is needed. This can be okay. Credits. So the application is refreshing, and so how this is done is using the super base to fetch the credit, where the blanch is equal to this, limit to 1. So this code looks fine. So I don't think there can be an error out of it. So now I need to think about this, because I don't know if this credit will be, um, you know, how many is that? 1 million? One, one, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah, it's 1 million. So you can purchase up to 1 million credits to consume AI. See, that makes sense. Eh? So since the refresh is taking a while, I'm gonna run the application again for me to see the change. So the credit is there. Update the credit data. So this is basically to do what? Because I don't think by credit amount. This look like something that is not right, because copy of the credit, use credit. Need to take credit so that it is deducted. Yeah. So one thing that is slowing me down is the fact that I need to wait for the debugging to attach the application, which is taking me a lot of time, and I get distracted so easily, and I cannot, wait forever. So this is like the way. The more you build daily, the more you find that you need a more powerful application in a computer to be able to have the startup time reduced to at least a reasonable amount of time that a developer can wait. So That's why I like to have like multiple models opened, doing different things, because like my mind cannot wait for like more than 2 minutes. I'm already tired. All right. So still waiting for the two models. I think this model has nothing to do now. So this use credit is doing what? So branch ID is a string, business ID is a string, and a credit map. So it seems like one model is done. I'm just gonna review what it has done. So let's see what we have here. Yeah, the application is taking a while to start now. Don't know why. And I noticed this sometimes it get hung up on this HTTP override. I don't know if it's the issue. This is the web version. Mm, so it gave up now. So I need to know if this is the issue that causing so connection. So let me add another debugger here so that I know what is taking a lot of time to start, because it is not supposed uh, to be more than 60 seconds waiting for the application to come up up front. So but I suspect that these things is misbehaving somehow. So I need to know. I need to know why. I think at one point I will need to have so to do that. Do I have that? So something like can tell me to have like this method has took this time to execute, so that I can pinpoint the slow methods, the method that is taking me a while to get the response back from that method. So I think that will help me to debug the issues I'm having, where I can randomly see something hanging up and without knowing why that things can happen. So but for the sake of brevity and taking like less time, I'm going to add a debugger here and see analyze like how much is it going to take for this HTTP to log and versus to this HTTP log to show up. Then there from there, I think I will be able to analyze the issues. So what have we done? So we have done credit, we have refactored credit data, fetch credit information directly from Superbase by passing the okay, that's what I wanted. Clicking to that, I think I can see that now the use credit is fine. Update credit, that's fine, but I was interested in this stream. Mm. So I didn't know. Um, so yeah, it's probably saying that primary key is primary key. Pass the list of primary key column names to which will be used to update and delete the proper record internally as the stream receive real-time updates. So makes sense. If you don't provide the primary key, it might receive the data, and when it receives new data, it doesn't know how to delete the previous data, which is cool, I think. So now these things is taking too much time. You can see that we have already logged this for a while, but we can't. We are not by like. Is there a problem happening there? So I think I'm going to try catch and and I think I think. So first of all, I'm gonna see if there is a problem happening there that we are not catching. Eh? Data security context said that something is weird. I don't know. Do we still need this? But I think we need to figure out why it's happening, because it has been the root cause of my application hanging on different platforms, and it can just freeze out of nowhere and you don't know what. So I hope that I will be able to see the bug and try catch. If not, I think I will resolve this by for now, because it's not a real solution actually. I think I would need to time out this to few seconds. If didn't create it, then I will not create HTTP override, which can result into issues like some secure connection will be failing probably. I might even not have the, I don't know, I might fail to call the APIs or something. Yeah. So, so. Let's wait and see. Waiting for this to compile. It's killing me a lot. It is really killing me. It's killing me. So let me just stop the other apps I have opened. So the application is starting now. Now let me observe carefully. Let me observe. There is no error, and hence there is no. we reached there, but did we reach? So, so the way I'm gonna, if it take more than 5 seconds, time continue. So that's what I'm gonna do. This should be 5 second rule. It's no way. No way that can be more than 5 seconds. It's not acceptable. It's not. But do we need HTTP override? Do we need that? But do we need that? I think that was the reason why I had this. But I think yeah, let me now run it. So what I did here is to make sure that I move all the code within the feature and wait that feature. So the benefit of this is that I can be able to add a timeout on this feature. So whenever this timeout exceed, it will trigger an issue that I'll be catching it in throw catch, then move on with the rest of the code. So I think this is the okay implementation for now. So I think I did a poor job of not adding the comment why in the first place I did add this HTTP override. Maybe that issue is no longer the issue. So maybe I should be moving away from, because this is not a secure way of doing the things. But I think there is a reason why I did it, and I couldn't remember in any way or shape. Yeah. So TTP override, TTP override. What we're doing, we're overwriting this client. Right. So what's the things I hate is to wait for the software. And I don't know. That will fix the issue. I think it did fix the issue. We need to wait for the application now to come to start. So I think this is fine. So I think this is fine. So it's asking me to pay, which I will skip, and I'm going to go to AI. So I'm gonna choose the different model, which is gonna be Rama. I'm gonna say how much did we make today. So this is not supposed to work. So what I'm trying to implement now is whenever this message show up, I need for the AI to be able to guide the application, to be able to guide the user on how to purchase the credit. Credit within AI screen. Credit widget, credit display. So I think this feature is more complex than I thought. But there's no way of relaxing on this because that's the failure of a user. Like, come to the things, you see the model is exhausted and you want to buy something. And ideally, buying it means you need to start using the credit right away. So I think that's something I'm gonna check. But let me see the plan. Allow user to purchase credit directly within the iChat interface when they encounter an upgrade required message. So, new credit purchase widget. Create a new reusable widget, credit purchase widget based on credit section. It should handle the input amount, phone number, and payment process logic. It should accept on payment success callback. Credit purchase dialog. Credit Create a dialog wraparound credit purchase widget. Credit home page. Replace credit section and the related logic with credit purchase widget. Message bubble. Detect if message content matches the required pattern. If it does, display purchase credit button below the message text. Button. If it does, display purchase credit button below. On click, show credit purchase dialog. Okay, this is good. Manual verification. Okay, this is good. Proceed. Go ahead. This plan sounds solid and less elapron, right? So, okay, I don't know if this will not break anything on mobile, to be honest. But what I can see is that this widget to be created, will it still be possible to purchase credit or nah, on phones? I think they will. So now we have this credit and the dialogue. Now this is fine. This is a new code. Should not be worried about this. What I'm worried about is breaking the existing functionality. So the new one, we can test about them, but the existing one, need to be sure. So editing this. Why? Work. Not format phone number. A lot of things. Where did this go? Yeah. So this definitely need a test on the mobile as well. No, it's not done, bro. It's not done. This credit purchase widget, does it handle that project? I think it does. I think I will have to end the stream of today. I think it has been nice. Someone saying, say hi. Thank you for saying hi. Thank you for passing by and saying hi. I really appreciate. Thank you. I don't know this guy, but his name is Sandy Coda 2013. It's really, I really appreciate. I really appreciate if you can come on this stream and join. And I promise you the stream will be better as the time pass by. But I think I had the urge of creating this stream, show you my workflow and how I do code on some daily basis, and how I now I am now adopting the AI to write my feature. So which is now becoming like the default. So like I no longer think like too much in terms of algorithm and stuff, right? So what I care about is like how can I get this feature done? How can I test the feature? How can I write the unit testing and so on? So it is crazy how the coding is changing and how uh, the technology is changing in general. It's just it is super amazing. So I'm going to give it another shot and test and see if it's working. Then if it's working, then I think I will need to have to end the stream because I'm kind of tired already. So what they are saying, it has fixed the regression, which is okay. But my suspicion is credit purchase. Credit purchase. But something is showing experimental here, and I don't know what it is. Experimental what? Running with merged UI and platform thread experimental. Something that Flutter has nicked in the Flutter framework, so which is maybe not bad things. This thing is taking a lot. This HTTP override. I think I need to remove it completely and then see what happened. But why the 5 second is not being respected? Don't think it's being respected. It died. So think I need to swallow my pride and just let it go for now. Commenting out this as it is making the application to time out some time will to enable it some later. because I've seen this area in my century. Think this is the major areas I'm facing basically. Looking in my century, it contributes like 90% of my areas, which is ridiculous. Let me see. Yes, yes, yes. It, it's a good. I don't know if I can be happy with this because, like most of these areas, is not me. So meaning that the code base is getting stable, but this is hanging issues. It's chasing me all the time, big time. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say that I fixed them. All right. See, if, I wonder why it can be hanging, but also not showing any timeout or something. It's weird. Let's wait and see. Oh boy. Oh boy, still having so many issues reported. So many issues. What? Is this going anywhere? I'm refreshing, deleting, still seeing the same. It's weird. Alright, this is cool. Oh, okay, let's now see what happened if it's gonna keep hanging. Why? Why are you taking so much time? Why? It is taking too much of time. Something is not right. Did we reach no? No. What can take long here? These headers are hunting me. So thank you for watching. See you next time.